Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel layer, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a shape, adjust the shape, and then select another shape. Adjust the shape, save the shapes with the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. Click button, enable button down, adjust the color. And then copy the letter, select the copy option. Change the color to the color option, adjust the color. Save the letter to the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Then select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size option, adjust the size. Select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color. And then select the font option, adjust the font. Copy the letters to the copy option. Change the color to the color option. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.